Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Elmo's First Book of Colors by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Elmo's fur is the color red, just like the hat that sits on his head. What other things do you see that are the color red? Cookie is blue from head to toe, and so is the sled that glides through the snow. What other things do you see that are the color blue? Oscar the Grouch is as green as can be, just like the leaves on the big shady tree. What other things do you see that are the color green? Big Bird is yellow, his feathers so bright, just like the boat, the sun, and the kite. What other things do you see that are of the color yellow? Zoe is orange, and so is her ball, but pink is her favorite color of all. What other things do you see that are the color orange? What things in this picture are pink? The end. And that was Elmo's First Book of Colors by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all for tuning in. And as always, until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you.